Good evening, good morning or good afternoon people on the other side of the screens. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about macro photography and macro season at all. Especially because today we were in the water, we did the skills and we saw really big changes underwater on our house reef site. Because, for example, all the grass is gone after the big waves, and we didn't see that creatures we usually see on our macro site. Also, I have these books, so I can just open, find the creature, and see the name. It's actually something Laura do more than me, but anyways, so that's the thing. The one is a reef fish identificator, and another one is reef creature identificator. So that's the two books where we found everything what we found underwater. Laura did macro dive today. And probably I'm going to review the dive which she did today. So I will go through all the small clips she did, and I will just try to comment and also give some names. So I will use these two books to explain what you see on the screens. Okay, let's start it. So what I see here on a screen is a blue ribbon eel. When they are juvenile, so then they are black color with orange stripe on the back. And then when they become elder, so then they changing to the blue. If you see one ribbon eel, so then somewhere around is another one. At the moment we are looking at Dorit Nudibranch. This is not really a usual one, because if you're looking at his antennas, then one is not really usual shape, right? So it's like the one is like a horn, one is a normal one, and one is like a splitted. It's like a kind of a defect. It's because it's not normal. But that's why this particular Dorit Nudibranch is really interesting, actually. And we have a specific site where you can see them, and it's next to the Liberty Wreck, just not going to the Liberty Wreck, but on the other side. So if you're looking at the sea, on the left side there is a Liberty Wreck, and this site is on the right side. It's called Coral Garden. The next one you at the moment looking at is Trion's Respeckia Nudibranch, which is also from Dorit family. And this is specific because they are different colors. The dots is kind of same, but it can be different colors. And what is actually interesting, they are always following each other. So sometimes we calling a train nudibranchs. And in this particular video, you can see that actually emperor shrimps are riding them. They're using these nudibranches as a transport. So they riding them, and then on the way they just picking up something from the ground and eating, and that's kind of interesting. I never seen this one before, so this is the first time when I see this particular nudibranch and with emperor shrimps, because usually emperor shrimps you can usually see on some bigger nudibranchs like Spanish dancers and that stuff. But in this video, and it's pretty huge emperor shrimps, right? So they're like a big, massive ones. So kind of cool video actually as well. Not really usual one. I'm going to continue with the bumpy Maxicromis nudibranch, which is also from Dorit family. Well, it's so cool actually. The white and the colors are just amazing. Okay, so this particular one is about 3 centimeters. It's not that small actually. All the nudibranches you saw at the moment is from Dorit family. That was something new I tried to do. If you like this type of the videos with voiceovers and explanations what you see on a screen, then just let me know in the comments. I would like to make these videos as a part of these episodes and daily show, just because you know there's a rainy days coming and sometimes we have no any chance to film anything, and that can be all these episodes becomes really boring. Of course, I have a lot of things to talk, but it's always nice if I can mix it with some nice and colorful footage, and I think these underwater videos are really colorful and interesting for you. So let me know, and thank you very much for watching me today. Follow and subscribe on YouTube, and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.